Hi everybody! Feels like it's been a while since I've done a tasting day video, but here we are, tasting day number 29, and it's looking a bit wintry outside, so good thing I got a bunch of dark beers lined up. Hey, here is, this is the Everything Stout. This is how far back this goes now, so yeah, I thought, I did my live video on this, but I thought also may as well make an official tasting day thing, so Everything Stout is weird and kind of I always actually it's been a while since I had one, but it was always hard to have more than one of these in a sitting. Not that there was anything wrong with it. I mean, it had all sorts going on there, but in fact here's the list. So I'm going to go through the list and see what we got and what we don't got, but yeah, it's just hard to drink a lot of. Okay, so no oak. It does taste strong, so I've given Imperial a tick, and it's kind of sweet too, so I've given the milk a tick. I'm guessing it did its bit. Oh yeah, the weird sliminess I'm attributing to the oysters. No smoke. The wheat, I'm not sure. I think maybe the head retention is coming from the wheat. Definitely vanilla. That vanilla pod was in there for way too long. Chocolate's in there a little bit. The star anise is shining through. Can't tell all the oats, and the coffee only just a little bit. So this is a flavour score of 6 out of 11 of the flavours I can get in. But officially, the official score for this one is 2 thumbs up, because even though it's weird and kind of really, really weird, even though it's just super weird, it's exactly what I wanted. Okay. Number 2, this is my all Mosaic IPA. So I think I used roughly the same base as I used for my recent Simcoe IPA. I think maybe I backed off the crystal a little bit. You can smell the Mosaic. Very nice aroma on that one. And that is a happy looking homebrew. I really like this. So this is one of my good IPAs. Yeah, the bitterness I increased a little bit compared to Simcoe. And maybe it could handle a little bit more even, I don't know. But anyway, 2 thumbs up for that one. Not messing around, giving that one a rating of 2. And, oh yes, this is the Pirate Life Mosaic IPA, which I wasn't trying to copy, but it was kind of the inspiration for it. Because, you know, all Mosaic IPA, right? Very good. And just tasted them next to each other there. Very different, but both incredibly nice. Smelling the aroma's about the same. And yeah, if I don't know, God said to me, you can only ever have one of these ever again, I don't even know which one I'd choose. They're both as good as each other, in my humble opinion. So I got a second opinion from Doug, whose puppeteer is not available today, but Doug had told me that his favourite, without knowing which was this one. So 1 vote from Doug. Good boy, Doug. So there we go. Alright, so what do we got? What do we got next? Moving on. Yep. Okay. Yes, this is Cooper's Smoty, shortest month of the year recipe, which is a 2-can. It's made with their can of their pale ale and a can of their dark ale. This one's kind of, it's not entirely black in colour, this one. So, and this one, I will sum it up by saying this is definitely an extract beer. You can just tell. You know how when you start homebrewing and this homebrew tastes like homebrew? That's what this one tastes like. So I've had it for about 2 months now. That is starting to settle down, and some of the flavours are developing a bit more. But I'm not the kind of person that his beer lasts for enough time as it needs sometimes, unfortunately. So yeah. Oh well, what's this one going to get? 1 thumb. Yeah, it's a 1. Oh, it wants to be 2. I reckon with time it could be 2. If you could put some away, then maybe it would be great. But anyway, the hops added a small freshness to it, I'll say. Okay, this is my do-over porter, where I said I'm going to make exactly the same recipe as the one that... What's going on? Magic glass. I'm going to make exactly the same recipe as I did last time, and then I made it a lot different because... And then I threw a whole bunch of Galaxy hops in it, which was just nonsense. And actually, at the start, this one tasted, there's nothing wrong with it, but it wasn't the right combinations of flavors or anything. And I'm using the second glass just so you can see the color. It's kind of a real browny color, this one, rather than black or red. I'm not sure how much roasted malt I used. Probably not much in it. Just came out browny, but anyway. The chocolatiness is kind of there from the things. So anyway, I'm giving this one a 1, but then I'm giving it a 2 because it got better. It got better. It's not a porter. It was supposed to be a porter. It's not a porter, but it's actually a pretty nice, refreshing little beer, that one. Okay, now this is the last one for today. This is the Lazy Dayz Porter from those nice people at Lazy Dayz Brewing Supplies that sent me some stuff, and that, my bike light, which is probably running out of batteries by the end of this, is not, it is a bright light, and that is not getting through that at all. So this is blacker than the blackest black times infinity, and it is delicious. It is just as rich. It's got a little hint of smokiness. I had thought that it was undercarbed, but that seems to not be an issue anymore. That would be my fault anyway. So it's doing good. This one is a definite 2-thumber. Yep, and I think I'm going to have another. Yes, I guess once again, thank you to the people at Lazy Dayz Brewery for sending me what I needed to make that. Okay, looks like the fog's rolling in even more. Wow, wait. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and tell all your friends what a great hobby homebrewing is and that they should subscribe to my channel as well. Alright, thanks. Bye.